Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to make some restaurant quality fried rice at home easily. So a lot of you might have ordered fried rice on Zomato and all. Given the chance, I order fried rice almost on a daily basis. My brother hates me for that. A lot of you all see master anga toku toku in 5 nimishathile he'll give you a fried rice, but there's a certain process that goes into getting that fried rice to your plate. So I will show that to you in today's video. So let's get to the video. First for fried rice, basically they use two vegetables, carrot, beans. Cabbage is optional. I am not going to use it today. So that's your choice. So this is one way of cutting a carrot. You peel it, slice it diagonally. When you cut it diagonally, each piece will look like this. Keep it lengthwise and cut it into juliens. Matchstick mari varum. Adu appadi you thiruppi chop the carrots. So these pieces will be kuti. You can chop them however you prefer it to be. Yeah, so this is one way to chop carrots. Another way, cut the carrot into half or whatever, place it vertically and then slice, and then again you cut it lengthwise and then you chop. So our beautiful looking carrots are done. Yeah, so in this recipe I will be using the whites of the spring onion and the greens. So you cut it till the intersection between the greens and the whites. Keep it aside for now. I'm gonna finely chop spring onions. Spring onions have an amazing flavor, so you can use every bit of it and it will serve its purpose. What I'm going to do to these bulbs is cut off the roots. Here there's this outer layer of skin. So I'm peeling the outer layer off and I'm just going to finely slice it. Yeah, so we've put spring onion to full use. Yeah, so in this recipe I will be using chopped ginger, chopped garlic, spring onion whites, spring onion greens, chopped carrot and beans, some boiled chicken. So this I basically boiled in water with salt alone. Boneless chicken, I've boiled it for around 7 to 8 minutes, and 2 eggs. These are all that I will be using for the recipe. Let's move to the next step where I will explain another process to you. So the next integral part of fried rice obviously is the rice. Wash and soak this rice for 20 minutes, keep it separately, then bring water to a boil. Into the water add salt, add vinegar, and the vinegar will make the rice extra white, toothpaste mari. Yeah, all you have to do is boil the rice for 7 minutes and strain it immediately. In the mari or bowl or a tray la, spread the rice out, let it cool down, keep it in the fridge. Preferably overnight. So this is what is technically done for fried rice, because fresh rice will be soft, puffy and has moisture. If you mix and toss the rice, it will break. To make fried rice or noodles, a wok is very important. Not a lot of us are going to have it at home, so I am going to make it in a normal non-stick kadai. If you're tossing and all, a single handle like this would be comfortable. So the first step is to scramble the egg, which I like doing. Yeah, so after all that happened right now, free tip in this elaborate video, while this pan is heating here, okay, so pan is on high heat here. So I am going to whisk the eggs. So to this I am going to add a generous amount of oil. So what happens when you put egg into a very hot pan is that adu busu aga arambikum. You let it bubble up like this as soon as you pour it down. Abde scramble it. So this will ensure that it will give you chunks of egg and not series of egg. So here you have some fluffy scrambled egg. So in the egg, you don't want it to color and all that, you just want it to scramble. Yeah, so here you have some scrambled egg which I've kept aside. To the same pan, I'm adding more oil. Pan is super hot. Ippatiki I've reduced the flame to low. So In goes chopped garlic, chopped ginger. So I will mix it till it becomes light brown. Like normally you can just saute it for a few seconds, flavor will be nice. Yeah, so this one's lightly browned, if you can see. So I am going to add spring onion whites. So this is where the process gets fast and hence the fast food. Like restaurants the flame is super powerful. So everything will absorb heat and start cooking. So just for a few seconds, the spring onions are done. And I am going to add the chopped carrot, chopped beans. Flame is still on high. I will saute it for like 1 or 2 minutes. If you notice, carrot and beans in a fried rice will always have a bite to it. It doesn't mean it's undercooked. So I am going to be making plain fried rice today. So if you want variations, whatever recipe I have given you, adu kuda like Szechuan pannona, you can add some dry red chilies, some fried cashew nuts and chili paste, red chili paste. Adu onnu illa. Modaga eduthu dry red chili, take off the seeds, soak it in hot water and blend it to a thick paste. Ginger garlic process pannumbodhu you add the paste and you cook it well over here. So now I'm going to add almost 200 grams of rice to this. Salt half a teaspoon, white pepper quarter teaspoon, MSG quarter teaspoon, soy sauce 1.5 teaspoons. The boiled chicken, so mix, toss. Yeah, so like I said, if tossing is uncomfortable, what you can do, dig it from underneath and abde udiri uttify it konjama all around the pan. Mix the fried rice for you. Yeah, so because of the soy sauce, your fried rice is konjam brown, but if you want that plain white fried rice, you can avoid the soy sauce. So remember the egg that I scrambled in the beginning, adha I am adding to the mixture. Just break it down a little. Like I said, dig underneath and udrify the rice. Avladhaan, fried rice is ready. So to this I will add the chopped spring onion greens. You don't have to add everything. It depends on if you like that flavor. So I'm adding some. The egg is there, chicken is there, rice is there, carrot is there, beans is there. Some amazing flavor is there. So this is how it looks. You can see the egg or texture update thaniya fluffiya. This is some amazing fried rice. So here you have some amazing restaurant quality chicken fried rice. So please do try it out and let us know what you think. It is worth it. And if you have any recipe suggestions, drop them in the comments below and we will come up with recipes for it. This recipe will also be up on the Cooked app. So please go download the app. You have an amazing range of recipes to try over there. Also, like, share and subscribe to Cook TV. Let's eat. One of the best bowls of fried rice I've ever made. I will see you all soon.